Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit shorts on Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat. Make sure you have already downloaded Snapchat on your device. So here on left bottom corner you can see photo gallery icon. Tap on it. Here you will get the option camera roll, stories, and you can see the videos, photos that you recorded on Snapchat. And if you want to edit shorts from camera roll, then you can just tap on camera roll and select a particular video. For now, let me select a video from my Snapchat. And if you want to edit this video, then you can get many options. On right corner you can retouch this video by tapping on the retouch icon. You can voice over on it by holding on mic, tap on tick button. And if you want to add some music on this shorts, then tap on add sound. So here you can select a sound. And if you want to add text, then tap on T icon. Here you can text whatever you want. So in this way you can use many features to edit your shorts on Snapchat. And if you want to download it, then tap on download icon that is located on left bottom corner. Tap on it. So it will successfully download your video on your photos or gallery. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.